Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Tuesday, July 21st. We've been seeing some record heat out there the past few days. Yesterday, we saw the temperature get up to 100 degrees at the main base, which did break the high temperature record for July 20th at Wallops. Gonna see another hot one today. It doesn't look like it's gonna be quite as warm though, but still gonna be seeing those heat index values above 105 degrees this afternoon, and we are currently in a heat advisory for Wallops. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, kind of have a bit of a messy picture here this morning, but the main feature is this very weak stationary front just to the north of the region. That combined with continued heat and humidity today will give us some ingredients to see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms across the peninsula. It does look like the best chance for seeing any of those pop-up showers and storms will be in the central Delmarva across the Maryland Eastern Shore. A lot of different short-term model solutions right now they don't seem to have a good handle on exactly how these pop-up storms will play out this afternoon. So we will be carrying about a 20% chance of seeing an isolated pop-up shower or storm this afternoon at Wallops, and then possibly even seeing another round as we get closer to midnight tonight. As of 8 a.m., seeing a few clouds of 3,000 feet to 25,000. Winds were calm, temperature 86 degrees with a humidity of 75%. And I'm already seeing that heat index over there on the island where the humidity is a little bit higher already approach the high 90s this morning as of 8 a.m. Taking a quick look at our satellite this morning, really seeing mostly sunny skies out there. That will change as we go towards the afternoon, and we'll start to see some more cumulus cloud development. Already seeing a couple little cumulus clouds trying to develop very quickly, but those are going to dissipate and move off, and then we'll start to see some more substantial cumulus development this afternoon, and that's what could develop into an isolated thunderstorm once we get towards the mid-afternoon hours. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a high of 94 degrees this afternoon. Heat index will be likely above 105 degrees by this afternoon, reaching 100 degrees after about 9 a.m. this morning. So we're going to be seeing those heat index values early, get into that heat advisory criteria. Winds are going to become southwesterly around 4 to 9 knots late this morning, shifting more south to southwesterly at 6 to 11 knots this afternoon. Then going to become briefly southerly towards the late afternoon hours at 7 to 12 knots before shifting southwesterly again at 5 to 10 knots this evening. Could be seeing those winds a little bit variable and slightly gusty if we get into another round of showers and storms. Some models did have another line of storms coming in around midnight to 4 a.m., but a little bit more skeptical about that than the afternoon pop-up storms. So only running around a 15 to 20% chance for midnight tonight. So not looking really a high probability of seeing any showers and storms. And then by tomorrow morning, going to be seeing another mild low of 79 with winds southwesterly at around 5 to 10 knots. Taking a look at our terminal forecasts, currently seeing just a few clouds of 3,000 feet, few at 25,000. We'll be seeing few at 3, few at 7,500, and a scattered cirrus stack at 25,000 by lunchtime. And really, that's going to be the case throughout the day, unless we get into any showers or thunderstorms. And then by late this afternoon, seeing a scattered mid-level deck near 15,000 feet to develop associated with any convection that's in the area or perhaps on the other side of the bay drifting over here. And then tonight, we'll see those ceilings lowered down a bit, potentially down to 2,000 feet if we get into any shower activity after midnight. And by sunrise tomorrow, seeing a few clouds near 1,500 feet, few at 5,000, and then some broken mid-level decks at 15 and 18,000 feet. Let's take a quick look at one of our short-term weather models just to show you how we will be possibly seeing those showers and storms develop. This is the HRRR model that we typically use that updates every hour. So going into lunchtime, we're going to possibly see a pop-up shower or storm across the peninsula. This is running around 2 to 3 p.m., and that's where we could see that storm pop up across the central peninsula. And not to focus too much on the placement, but this does show the possibility of it in the Wallops region, and then possibly seeing this additional line come across the bay, and that's what would be potentially impacting us at midnight tonight, but still a question of how far it will survive as it moves east across the region. So for tomorrow, we're going to be looking at partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be hot and humid once again with another very warm heat index over 105 degrees with an isolated pop-up thunderstorm possible late. Partly cloudy, mild and humid with a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm early for Wednesday night with a very muggy low of 80 degrees. And then Thursday, we're looking at partly and mostly cloudy skies, hot and humid once again. That heat index could be over 105 degrees once again, but it does look like we are going to see a slightly higher chance of some scattered showers and storms across the region for Thursday. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a good day.